Alabama Derek Meadows exited Missouri game after absorbing vicious hit as Tigers DB ejected for targeting. But first, please subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new and press the like button to support us. Welcome. Alabama freshman wide receiver Derek Meadows exited the number 8 Crimson Tide's Week 7 game against number 14 Missouri late in the first quarter after taking a brutal hit on a pass down the right side of the field. Meadows jumped into the air to try to catch a pass from quarterback Ty Simpson and absorbed a hard hit from Tigers defensive back Marvin Burks Jr. Meadows remained on the turf for a few minutes afterwards, but eventually was able to get up and walk off of the field with the help of Alabama's athletic training staff and went to the locker room under his own power. Officials immediately threw a flag for targeting, and Burks was ejected following a relatively quick review. That means Missouri will be without one of its top defensive backs for the remainder of a crucial game against an explosive Alabama offense.